this fucking creepy train, and we sometimes hang out here a lot.
This is where the stoners go.
And smoke it up, puff puff. And it's at night it's pretty creepy. And sometimes we can hear whisper, whisper, whisper in this creepy ass train. Let's go in. Pull the little cam. Fuck, I hate that door. Wish it could open more. Where's the door? Where's the one that
There's
the skull?
snow in here. Did somebody come in here?
Maybe the guys did, or whatever.
I don't know. Show them the rooms.
I know. Hey, who put that down? I thought we had that up.
What up?
Oh, look, there's the skull.
Hey, didn't I have this door shut?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Okay, keep
Okay,
going.
who's been in here? Probably them. Looks like the hand's still there, so. Oh, look at this. Please do not sit on beds. Let me hold this. Yep, don't
Oh
sit
my
on
God.
bed. There's a fucking blanket up here.
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Okay, so I guess a hobo must have been staying here.
What the fuck?
And turn the camera there. This bed was not here before.
It was flipped up.
Somebody put this up, and there used to be apparently an old man who used to stay in these trains, so maybe he came back.
Well, it's up now.
What the heck?
Well, we better go. I don't think that's up good.
Maybe the stoners put the blanket in there and sleep.
Oh, look. Bad memories in this room. What the fucking hand is in here now?
I threw that at you guys. You and Johnny.
Hey, somebody's been here. There's smoke there. Oh,
There's like a lump right there.
that wasn't there before. This is still.
Our good old pal tried to ruin that, kick that out of the wall.
Yeah. There's cigarettes all in there. Oh, look, another room.
And there's some jerseys in here.
Just sitting in here that's been in here for like weeks.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah. You would think that somebody would take them by now.
Yeah. Well, our friend was looking at them.
Yeah, probably wanted to see what size they were. Oh, look, there's the little power box.
We're entering in the kitchen.
And oh, here's the little bathroom. There's toilet. Stick your head in the toilet. I totally didn't put the... That's me. Here's the little, like, cafeteria. Yeah, I didn't realize those lights before, but they look cool.
The stoners used to jump over the tables in here and get glass in their hands.
Right over there, right here, especially where the frickin' window is all smashed. Not many glass on it now, I wonder why. It's on the floor. Look, you can see this room in my phone better.
Yeah, that's weird.
And here is the kitchen. Pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
And that's the end of the train. And here is the kitchen. Pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
And that's the end of the train.